Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to make this cake topper that I made for a customer. Just going to start off by typing her name, which is Kaale. And the font I'm going to use for this cake topper is one of my faves, Ardilla. So I'm just going to change the size. This cake was about 8 inches. So making the topper roughly 4.5 inches was ideal. So I just offset this 0.6 and highlight, then I slice. So I'm going to get rid of the full images and I'll just be left with the slice. Change that to gold because I used the glitter gold paper. Please trust the process. So I offset that again 0.6, change the color to a dusty pink, then again 0.6 and a brighter pink. So Kaale is going to be 18, so I'm just going to type that out. And I'm just going to make that a little bit bigger. Change that to the gold. And then I'm going to offset that to 0.6 again. Change the offset to the dusty pink color. And offset again. And that color is going to be the brighter pink. So I highlight everything. And I offset them all. So the material used for the last offset will be acetate, just to give that clear effect. And I change that to that light grey color. So we've come to the end of the video. Here's the finished product. Please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Bye.